Watch this video and learn how to draw Garfield the cat.
Come on kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Wow.
Hello, Artie. Do you know what we're going to draw today?
No,
Do you want to do a drawing today?
no art. No today. No.
You don't want to draw? Are you kidding me, Artie?
Just kidding.
Oh, I see. You made a funny little joke.
Little joke.
Very good.
Artie wanna make art today. Art today.
It's a pleasure to see everyone.
Ready to start? Should we draw Garfield? Okay, let's begin. Let's draw a little curve on the left side of the page towards the top. That's good, Artie. Now from the top of that curve, let's curve down and in towards the middle of the page. Now we're going to draw those same shapes again, but this time on the right side of the page. Try and make them match as much as you can. It sort of looks like the top portion of a heart shape.
What did you have for breakfast this morning, Mikey?
Betty, I'm a marker, so I had a banana.
Now, Artie, right in the middle of the page, let's draw a straight line going up. But stop before you get to the top. Now, from the top of that line, let's do a curve going up towards the right. That's it. And let's do another curve on the left, going up towards the left. Are you enjoying it so far, Artie?
Yeah.
Well, let's carry on then.
Okay.
Now we're going to draw a line on the left that goes up and curves in to the point of that sort of triangle you see in the middle of the page there. And then on the right side, let's curve round and come straight down to try and match what we did on the left. That's it, Artie. Very good. Let's make the left side match the right a little bit better. A little curve. There you go. Now let's draw a little oval shape for Garfield's nose. Now let's continue the left and right curves all the way up to the nose. There you go. Let's draw a line all the way across from the left side to the right at the bottom, just above the nose. That's perfect, Artie.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Thank you, Louie. What a wonderful tip. Hopefully the little artist will try that at home. Now, let's do a curly shape on the left and a curly shape on the right. And a little short line in between those two curves, on the left and again on the right. Now let's draw Garfield's cheeks. We'll start with his left cheek. On the left side there, Artie. That's it. Curve down and around a little bit. And then on the right side, curve down and around a little bit. Perfect.
That looks fantastic.
Just marvelous.
Now let's draw a curved line up to the nose on the left and another one on the right side coming down from the nose and joining up with the cheek. Now we're going to do a very similar line again, but just below the first one. That's right. And then we'll continue round underneath. Add a little curved line for the chin. And then we'll continue round all the way up the right side. Well, Garfield's face is really coming together, but how about his body? Let's do a curvy line round on the left, and you guessed it, another curvy line on the right. Join the two together at the bottom with a straight line across. Very good, Artie. Now let's do a little curved line as if Garfield has his arms behind his back. And another one on the right. That's it.
Look at him go, little artists.
Let's draw Garfield's tail. A big swirly shape. And then another swirly shape underneath, connecting all the way back to the body. I think it's time to give Garfield some legs. A straight line up to the body. And another one just besides. There's his left leg. Let's draw a big foot on that left leg. Garfield has really big feet. That looks fantastic, Artie. Can you do the same now on the right side? Remember how we did it? 2 straight lines coming down from the body, and then a big Garfield foot. Oh, I really like how you're showing Garfield's individual toes there, Artie. That's very clever. Cartoon break? Okay, I guess we can stop for a cartoon break. Go on then. Artie, let's go and find some things that are coloured orange.
Artie loves orange. A little orange cat. Yay, it's an orange ball. Yummy oranges in a tree. Artie loves oranges. Yum. An orange car.
You found lots of orange things today, Artie.
Artie loves orange.
That was a great cartoon break, Artie. We learned all about things that are coloured orange. You know what else is coloured orange? Garfield. Let's carry on with the drawing. Let's draw Garfield's eyes. Just 2 little half circles, and then shade them in all the way black. That's it. Now the one on the right, Artie. Very good, Artie. Now let's draw some little short black lines on Garfield's face. Artie likes to sing while he's drawing, little artists. Do you sing when you draw? Well, it's looking pretty finished. Perhaps a few lines on his tail.
Look at him go, little artists.
He's so good at drawing.
I think a few more of these little short black lines on his body and on his tail, it really gives the Garfield signature look. It's looking really good, but there's something missing in the ears. Oh, that's right, Artie. There should be some little jagged shapes at the top of the ears, and then we shade those in black. That's going to look much more like Garfield now. Colour that top section in black. Very good. Now let's do the same on the left side. A sort of jaggedy line, and then colouring everything above that line black. Well, that looks pretty finished to me. What do you think, little artists? Do you think Artie's finished drawing and ready to colour in? What do you say, Artie? Are you finished? You are finished. Now don't forget, Garfield is the same colour as you, Artie. He's orange, so make sure you use an orange marker pen.
Color it in, color it in, color it in.
You've finished. I love how you used 2 different coloured orange marker pens, Artie. Oh, it's very clever. It looks just like the real Garfield. Very good job, Artie. Well done.
Wow, what a great show. We'll see you next time. Goodbye, little artists.
Have an Artie day.
Thanks for watching. We hope you have an Artie day as well. Bye-bye. Bye.
Bye.